Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product multi-directional multi-level dual cross pattern for robust face recognition. Now we discuss the abstract for the process to perform the unconstrained face recognition robust to variation in illumination, pose and the expression etc. This paper presents a new scheme to extract multi-directional multi-level dual cross pattern, that is the MDML to DCPs from face images. Specifically, the MDML DCP scheme exploits the first derivative of Gaussian operator to reduce the impact of difference in illumination and then computes the DCP feature at both the holistic and component level. DCP is a novel face image descriptor inspired by the unique textural structure of human faces. It is computationally efficient and only doubles the cost of the computing local binary pattern, yet is extremely robust to pose and the expression variations, though it is an efficient algorithm to solve the feature extraction method. MDML DCP comprehensively yet efficiently encodes the invariant characters of a face image from multiple levels into patterns that are highly discriminative of interpersonal difference but the robust to intrapersonal variations. Though this method is suitable for face recognition process using the local binary patterns, hence the Viola zones also helpful to extract the exact face region from the image, and also the classification is well suitable for the face recognition and feasible for the local binary pattern. Now we discuss the overall flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow diagram for the process. In that you can see the input image. The input image is the first module of the process. The input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several face images. After getting the input image from the database, the pre-processing is carried out. In the pre-processing step, we have considered the two major modules. The first one is the image resize and the second one is the image filtering. In the image resize, we have to reduce the dimension of the image. If for example the input image is in the size of 1000 cross 1000, then we reduce the size of the image into an 500 cross 500. This is the image resize. After the image resize, image filtering is carried out. In the image filtering, the filtering is applied to remove the noise from the image using the Gaussian filter method. After applying the filtering, the feature extraction is carried out. In the feature extraction, the LBP and the DCP features are extracted. Before extracting the feature, the Viola zones is applied to extract the face region from the backgrounds. After the feature extraction, the feature encoding is carried by using the histogram equalization. In this encoding part, the arrangements of the feature is narrow by using the histogram, and the classification is carried by using the SVM classifier. The SVM classifier is well suitable for the feature extracted, which is using by the LBP method. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. If you want to execute the code, first open the MATLAB 2013 and change the directory as in the code. Now you can see the main.m file in the current directory, and right click in that file. You can see the option run. Click the option run. Now the initial guide window was opened. In that you can see the several push buttons in the left side and the several check boxes and the two axes for the display purpose and the one table for the value display. Now click the button input image. After clicking the button input image, the dataset folder was opened. In that, select any one image from the dataset. Then click the button open. Now the image which is selected from the dataset is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. Now click the button pre-processing. After clicking the button pre-processing, the two checkbox was enabled. The first one is the face detection and the second one is the face extraction. Now click the button face detection. After clicking the button face detection, the Viola Jones method is applied for the face detection process. Now the face region is bounded by the bounding box in the yellow color. Then click the button face extraction. Now the exact face region is extracted from the other image and the other backgrounds will be eliminated. Now click the button dual cross pattern. In the dual cross pattern we have considered the two type of dual cross pattern. The first one is the Gabor wavelet and the second one is the dark filtering. After applying the Gabor wavelet, the Gabor feature extraction is carried out and the respected image is shown in the figure. Now click the button dark filtering. After clicking the button dark filtering, the filtered image is shown in the axis 2 with the title TOG filtering. Now click the button MDML features. Now extract the feature from the face region. Now the extracted features values are shown in the table 1. Now click the button dimension reduction. By using the dimension reduction only, we have to reduce the dimension of the features, that is like an encoding process. Now the encoded features are shown in the table, that is the test features. Now click the button recognition. Now click the button classification. Now the authentication ID of the person is shown in the message box after clicking the button recognition. Thanks for watching this video.